Hi guys, hope you are doing well. In this video, we will learn how to do gear simulation in ANSYS. So we have made gear on Solidworks and assemble it. We have made contact in between these two teeth and in this between two teeth. This gear will work as idler. It will move clockwise, it will move anti-clockwise, and again it will move clockwise. So now we will save it in the documents in the IGS format as I have already saved it. Now open ANSYS, set the units you want to work in, go to static structure table, import geometry, as you can see that geometry is tick. Now go to model and edit. Wait while it is loading. So after it has been loaded, go to material and select the material or assign the material of your own choice from here. Then go to connections. Now you can see that this gear is connected from this blue and this red. These two teeth are matching with each other, and in contact region 2 these two teeth are matching, as you can see. Red, and from here this is blue. Okay, now go to mesh and update mesh. So once the meshing is done, you can refine it and make it structure grid meshing. We have updated the mesh as it was default. So go to static structural and insert the boundary conditions. So first of all, we will make it fixed port, and make these other two gears frictionless port. Apply. Again do this for second gear. Apply. Now we will add movement in the frictionless port gears so we can see the stress formation. Movement, select this around which it is moving and give 2000 Newton millimeter. Click here, define the direction. So as you can see that this arrow is showing that it is moving anti-clockwise, but we have to move in clockwise. So we will edit the direction. So now you can see that it is moving in clockwise direction. So as it is moving in clockwise direction, it will move in anti-clockwise direction. So again add movement, In this frictionless support, give the value 2000 Newton meter, find the direction, so now you can see that this arrow is pointing toward anti-clockwise direction. So let's add the solution. From here you will add total deformation, stress equivalent von Mises stress, and contact tool. Contact tool will show you the stresses on the contacted teeth which are meshing with each other. Frictional stress, we will see frictional stress from this contact tool. So let's start solving. Wait, it is solved. So we have generate our results, as you can see. As you can see, it is moving in clockwise direction and it is moving in anti-clockwise direction, and again this here is moving in clockwise direction, and this is the stress formation with our gears. Let's see frictional stress. So you can see the frictional stress on which our gears are meshing with each other. So you can perform any analysis on gears using this method. So this is all from this video. Thank you and keep supporting.